Have you ever wondered what makes a spacesuit so special? It's not just a fancy outfit, but a life-saving tool for astronauts. These complex garments are designed with meticulous precision, each component serving a critical function. They shield our space explorers from the unforgiving conditions of the cosmos, the vacuum, the extreme temperatures, and the harmful radiation. Spacesuits are crafted from specialized materials, engineered to provide life support, maintain pressure, and offer mobility. These aren't your everyday fabrics. We're talking about high-strength synthetics, thermal protective layers, and even materials that reflect and retain heat. And it's not just about the materials. The design and construction of these suits involve various components, from the pressure layers and insulation to the helmet and visor, the life support system, and even the joints for mobility. And let's not forget about the gloves and boots, tailor-made for dexterity and protection. Join me as we delve deeper into the world of spacesuits and uncover their fascinating design and functionality. Did you know that the outer layer of a spacesuit, known as the pressure garment, is designed to withstand the pressure difference between space and our normal atmospheric pressure? This garment is the first line of defense for an astronaut, warding off the vacuum of space that could otherwise prove lethal. Traditionally, this layer has been crafted from materials like neoprene-coated nylon. But as we've advanced in our understanding and technology, we've started to incorporate high-strength synthetic materials and composite materials. These modern materials offer enhanced durability and flexibility, better equipping our astronauts for their extraordinary endeavors. Underneath this pressure garment, there are several layers of insulation. Now you might be thinking, insulation, isn't that for keeping warm? And you'd be right, but in space, insulation serves a dual purpose. Not only does it help to retain heat when an astronaut is in the shadowy, frigid parts of space, but it also reflects heat when they're in direct sunlight. This delicate balance of temperature control is crucial in an environment where it can be boiling hot in the sun and freezing cold in the shadows. One of the most common materials used in this insulation is mylar. This material is fantastic at reflecting and retaining heat, making it a perfect candidate for the job. These layers of insulation work in tandem with the pressure garment, creating a protective shell that shields astronauts from the extreme temperatures of space. But these layers also play another important role. They help maintain a stable, life-sustaining pressure inside the suit. This pressure, similar to what we experience at sea level on Earth, allows the astronaut's body to function normally despite the vacuum of space. So these layers are not just for show. They're meticulously designed and assembled, each with a vital role in protecting an astronaut. From maintaining pressure to regulating temperature, they work together to create a mini wearable spacecraft. It's a fascinating blend of science, engineering, and innovation, all wrapped up in what we call a spacesuit. So these layers are not just for show. They are crucial in maintaining the life of an astronaut in the vacuum of space. Let's explore the outermost layer of a spacesuit, the thermal micrometeoroid garment, and the helmet that protects an astronaut's head. The thermal micrometeoroid garment, often referred to as the TMG, forms the suit's external shield. This layer is critical as it guards the astronaut against micrometeoroids, tiny particles whizzing through space at incredibly high speeds. The TMG is ingeniously designed with multiple layers of aluminized mylar, a material known for its excellent reflective and insulative properties. This layered structure not only provides superior puncture resistance, but also offers additional thermal control, keeping our space explorers safe from the extreme temperatures outside. Now let's move upwards to the astronaut's helmet. This is not your average hard hat. It is made from impact-resistant materials such as polycarbonate or composite materials to withstand potential collisions with space debris. But what's truly fascinating is the visor. This protective shield is coated to fend off the harmful effects of solar radiation. And if you've ever wondered why astronaut helmets have that iconic gold sheen, it's because the visor is covered in a thin layer of gold. This gold coating reflects sunlight, preventing the helmet from overheating and keeping the astronaut's head cool. In the harsh, unpredictable environment of space, every component of the spacesuit is meticulously designed and constructed, each serving a unique and critical purpose. That's right, even the smallest details like the gold coating on the visor play a vital role in the safety and survival of astronauts. Now, let's talk about the life support system and the importance of mobility in a spacesuit. The life support system of a spacesuit is a marvel of engineering. It's not just about supplying oxygen, although that's of course vital. The system also removes carbon dioxide, which can be harmful in high concentrations. It's like a personal, wearable environment, complete with valves and tubing, all packed into a backpack-like device. This system even helps regulate the astronaut's body temperature, which can fluctuate wildly in the harsh conditions of space. But a spacesuit isn't just about survival, it's about action too. That's where the suit's mobility features come in. The joints in the suit, for example, are specifically designed to allow astronauts to move freely. They're typically made using flexible materials or bearings. Imagine trying to perform intricate tasks, like repairing a part of the spacecraft, without the ability to bend your elbows or knees. It would be nearly impossible. These joints are absolutely crucial for astronauts during spacewalks. The design of spacesuits is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of exploration. Each component, from the life support system to the mobility-enhancing joints, is meticulously crafted to ensure the astronaut's safety and effectiveness in the unforgiving vacuum of space. As you can see, every single component of a spacesuit is designed with the astronaut's survival in mind. Finally, let's discuss the gloves and boots of a spacesuit and the extensive training astronauts undergo. The gloves, much like the rest of the suit, are a masterpiece of design. They're crafted from flexible materials that offer dexterity, allowing astronauts to perform intricate tasks while providing the necessary protection against the harsh conditions of space. Now, as for the boots, they're designed for mobility, but also for protection against sharp objects that could potentially damage the suit or injure the astronaut. But how does an astronaut learn to move in this complex piece of engineering? It all comes down to training. Astronauts undergo extensive training sessions, including in a large pool known as the Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory, where they simulate weightlessness and practice tasks they might perform in space. Each suit is customized for the astronaut, ensuring a proper fit. So the next time you see an astronaut in a spacesuit, remember, it's not just a suit, it's a marvel of engineering designed to withstand the harshest conditions known to man.